Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. How are you students? I hope you are waiting for this video before your exams. Today in this session, we are going to discuss the English syllabus of class 10 for 2021-22 now. Now we are going to discuss over the first term syllabus here. The reading section will be the first section in the question paper. Mainly this year, dear students, the question paper is divided into two parts. Part A has reading, writing and grammar, while part 2 consists of only literature part. In reading section, the question will become on the following kinds of unseen passages to assess interference, evaluation, vocabulary, analysis and interpretation. The question will be on discursive passage, case-based factual passage, on statistics data, charts, etc. In writing skills, we have formal letters based on a given situation. Letter to the editor, letter of complaint official, letter of complaint business. And this year, writing skill will come in MCQ form. Dear students, you can see an example of MCQ based question on letter writing. I think it's an easy question. In grammar sections, we have tenses, modals, subject verb concord, determiners, and in reported speech, we have command and request, statements, and questions. And from literature, generally reference to context question will be asked. So read all the lessons thoroughly. First lesson is a letter to God. Second lesson is a long walk to freedom, Nelson Mandela. The third lesson is two stories about flying, part 1 and part 2. And the fourth lesson is from the diary of Anne Frank. Fifth lesson is the 100 dresses part 1 and the sixth lesson is 100 dresses part 2. And in the poem segment, we have number 1 poem Dust of Snow that is written by poet Robert Frost. Second poem is Fire and Ice. It is also written by Robert Frost. Third poem is A Tiger in the Zoo. And the last poem is the Ball poem. We have second textbook also. The name of this book is Footprints Without Feet. From this book, my friends, we have a triumph of surgery. That is the first lesson. The second lesson is the thief's story. And the third lesson is Footprints Without Feet. Now students, you can see the weightage on marks. These are divided according to the section. Reading section of 10 marks, writing and grammar section of 10 marks, literature will be of 20 marks and the total marks will be of 40 and the internal assessment will be of 10 marks. Dear friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful to you. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.